Hi friends, welcome. Learn Excel from basic to advanced. Today we will start from the basic level. That is, two ways to start using Excel. One, save the Excel file and then use it. Second one, open the Excel and then save it. Let's see the demo. The first option to use the Excel, right click on your system. There is an option called New. Then select Microsoft Excel worksheet. This is the one. Now you give the name for it. Then save and open it. This is the first way. Now we close this. Second one is go to search option, type Excel. So whichever version you are using, that Excel will show. Click on that. Click blank workbook. Now use it, then save. Right? Close it. This way you can use Excel, save and use and open and save. Thank you.